given all the information printed and written about the Mona Lisa smile, I thought that sketching the Sunflower 1212 smile would be time well spent, and certainly it was. I started out by trying to paint or draw a bird from a screensaver, but then it blinked off before I got very far, so that's what that little smudge in the upper left is. So anyway, trying to sketch the Mona Lisa smile, compliments of Sunflower 1212. Oh, here I'm showing how the subtle differences in tone along the area of skin above the lip are, one is slightly darker than the other, even though it just looks like a shadow. Anyway, so moving right along, it started to gain a perspective, some depth, and was looking half decent, I thought, and it just ever changing as I looked at the reference. So here I'm trying to get some lead on the kneaded eraser so I can touch this one area and not remove all of the lead, just remove some of the lead and make it just a lighter area. Anyway, so moving right along, I'm silly trying to draw the nose where I thought, it's right there, maybe it'll help, why not draw it? And but then under close examination, I see the nose in the reference. There's like this area here has absolutely no structure or anything that you could sketch, so I gave up on the nose and just tried to hint at the nose without going into too much detail. So, and then here I just thought, well, a little bit of refinement here at the end, because it was really, in a accurate sense, it was really like miles away. So just thought I would, keep adding some more stuff. But anyway, that's about what I ended up with, and the Sunflower 1212 smile. Spend an hour sketching. As you may know, I'm working on doing a portrait of Sunflower 1212. I've tried a dozen times. Nothing has come out perfect yet, but maybe the next one. Meanwhile, Sunflower 1212 smile. Sketched for an hour.